Okay, so here we have the completed wing with all of its features. Some of you may have seen the first video, which was one of the flaps working using the servo slower. And so now we have all of the features put together. So you can see the lights there turned on, so they look pretty impressive. And the retract units are installed, both flaps and the ailerons are all hooked up. So I can show you how this works here. And so the landing gear also has a servo slower on it, so they'll operate slowly. I have them going about 3 seconds as far as I can tell. So here we go. So again, like nice and scale. A little bit of a squeak there at the end. I'll have to put some oil on that. Not sure what that's about. But yeah, you can see in there the little linkage that operates the unit, and then there's the wire as well for the light that you can see in there. And then of course you can make them go back down. Again, they'll go down slowly to be more realistic. And there you go. And then of course the flaps, now both of them are working. So there's like, that's full flaps and back down. And then you could also go half flap and then full flap. So you can just imagine coming in for a landing here, you know, half flap, deploy the landing gear, and then as you're getting closer to land, go ahead and go full flap. So obviously that's going to look pretty awesome coming in to land there. And then the other thing that it has, of course, is the ailerons there. They're also operating, but that's pretty standard. So nothing to write home about there, but still everything's working as it should. And so I'm just going to put the landing gear back in and the flaps down there, and just flip it over to show you how all of this works. And so I'm just going to put the camera down here for a second. See the toilet paper rolls supporting the wing. So I've kind of just put everything together here so that I've taped everything onto the wing there so you can see all the different components. Again, the lights are looking pretty awesome. So yeah, here's the battery for the lights, and right now they're just wired together, but you know, you can turn them off. Just hopefully get a switch there so at some point so I can turn them off and on. But there they are, now they're off. And so you can see how those look, just a little LED in there. And there's the retract servo, so it's the mechanical retracts. And of course the receiver battery here, and these are the two servo slowers, one for the retracts and one for the flaps. So as you can see, it all works pretty well. So definitely excited to get this up in the air here sometime in the future. But for now, the wing itself is pretty much an ornament, if you will, so I feel like it's almost a completed project. Okay, well, let me know if you have any questions. Okay.